Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Pre-Market News and Views by InTheMoneyStocks. Today is March 18, 2016. My name is Nick Santiago. Thank you all for tuning in this morning. All right, looking at this market, you do have the S&P 500 E-mini futures flying high again. They are up 7 points. Market continues to rally higher each and every day. This entire options X trading week, which is today, the markets have been moving higher throughout each and every session. So again, we'll see where this market finishes, but really, I don't really see any problems out here this morning. So long story short, markets are higher, and we'll see how this all shakes out and plays out. But here are some stocks in the news. First stock we're going to get started with today is Adobe, ADBE, big tech stock, software company, and you're going to see the stock is trading at $96.02, closed at $89.96. So that's a $6 pop for Adobe Systems this morning. So we'll see how this plays out. The stock is overbought. It is extended. But hey, what's to say it can't go to $99 or even $100? At this stage of the game, if you own Adobe, I would just trail the stop loss. If you do not own it, there's nothing we could do here. The one thing I would say to traders is that sit tight. We'll watch for patterns once the opening bell rings, and we'll see where it goes from there. But I would not be chasing Adobe up here at these highs. Next up on the radar is going to be JP Chase. Looks like they are going to buy back some shares. Nice pop here today. Stock is trading at $59.62, closed at $58.72. Give JP Morgan the upside bias here. As long as the markets are strong, that stock should hold up and continue to push up a little bit higher. One level of resistance that I am looking at for JPM, if it does get there today, would be around $61.75. Don't know if we'll see that, but hey, these markets are euphoric. Maybe we will. Let's take a look at Tiffany's. I believe they had earnings, ticker symbol TIF, and what you're going to see here is the stock closed at $70.12, and it's trading at $70 right now. It's been all over the map and really has gone nowhere. So there's not a lot we're going to look to do with this name at the moment, but we'll keep it on the radar today, and we'll see how it plays out once the opening bell rings. Next up, we're going to take a look at SeaWorld, which is ticker symbol SEAS. C's, and you're going to see that this was upgraded today. I forget by who, but nonetheless, stock is trading at $19. I am seeing a ton of resistance. I'm using the word ton at $20.10. So if it does get up to 2010, that would be an area where you would look to exit or you would look to trail your stop loss. I might even consider fading the equity up at that level depending on the time of day. Let's take a look at ARO. This is one we will not be trading today. This is Aero Pastel, closed at 48 cents, now trading at 26 cents. So this retailer is just getting decimated. In my opinion, only a matter of time before it has to be restructured or file for bankruptcy protection if it hasn't already. Let's take a look at TRP, which is TransCanada. Looks like they made a purchase. They bought a company. Stock right now is trading at $36.74. It closed yesterday at $38.08. So when I look at this one, the only level I could see for support would be around $33.60. If it got down there, I think that's a level where traders can look to get into TRP. The company that they bought out was CPGX, and that's Columbia Pipeline Group. I'll be honest, I've really never traded this name, and this is a buyout right here at 25. So again, not a lot you could do with this name right now at this point in time, but good move, and keep TRP on the radar today. Again, there could be a play there. TITN, which is Titan. You'll see this one is this morning trading sharply lower, closed at 12.56. So Titan Machinery right now is trading at 11 1/4. I don't really have any good levels here. So there'll be a little bit of support, I think, around 10.41. If that breaks, you're probably looking at this name going a lot lower. So be a little bit careful. Keep that 10.41 level on the radar if you are playing this name. Let's take a look at Cooper Standard, CPS. Looks like this was a share offering. Stock right now is trading at $68.90. It closed at $71.27. There's nothing I would do on this with this name right now with the share offering. Again, maybe it holds up, maybe it doesn't. But the only level I would get interested in the name is a lot lower, probably around $61.75, $62. So again, I don't know how much of an effect the share offering will have on the downside here for the stock price, but either way, not much I would look to do with it until it got down to around $61.75. Let's take a look at Starwood. Looks like somebody made a bid there, an offer for Starwood. Stock is trading higher. We'll see if anybody counterbids Starwood and pushes it up even more. So if you own Starwood, congratulations, and stay with it. Just put a trailing stop in there. See if you get another bid higher in that name. Let's take a look at the gold market today. Gold is down about $12.20 today to $1,252.80 an ounce. So gold is trading lower. But what is trading higher today? Oil. Oil is soaring. It is up over $2.20 at the moment. Right now, crude oil is trading at $42.43. That's a 5.5% move today. So that's a great move for crude. That's going to lift the markets, and that's why the futures are trading as high as they are. Probably see a lot of energy stocks catch a little bit of a bid, but crude oil trading higher. We just went from $26 oil all the way up to $42.45. So now I would think we're back above $2 at the pump at any moment now, and we'll see if that affects people's pocketbooks at all. But again, crude oil having a surging move today, up over 5.5% before the opening bell today. All right, everyone, we're going to leave it here, short and sweet. I want to wish you all a great trading day. If you want to come over and trade alongside of us, take a 7-day free trial to the intraday stock chat. We had another really good day yesterday, even on the slower side. Today, we'll see what today brings, and we'll take it one day at a time. But again, if you want to come over and trade right with us, take that 7-day free trial to the intraday stock chat. We've had a dynamite 2016. With that being said, have a great trading day, and we will see you on the charts.